Why automate note-taking?
Automating note-taking helps you save time, stay organized, and focus on what matters. Participating in meetings, classes, or brainstorming sessions. Instead of scrambling to jot everything down, automatic solutions capture, sort, and store your notes, ensuring you don't miss important details and can easily revisit key information when you need it.
Popular tools for automated notes.
Several tools can automatically take notes for you. Apps like Otter.ai and Microsoft OneNote transcribe spoken words into text during meetings. For classes, tools like Notion or Evernote capture audio or digital whiteboard content. Integrating these tools with your calendar or video call platforms makes collecting notes seamless, whether you're online or in person.
Sync and organize notes effortlessly.
Centralizing your notes is key for productivity. Most note-taking apps offer syncing across devices, so your notes from different meetings or classes all land in one place. You can tag, categorize, or add reminders, making it much easier to find and act on information later, without searching through scattered files.
Integrate with other productivity tools.
Boost efficiency by connecting your note-taking app with your email, calendar, or task manager. Tools like Zapier or IFTTT can automate routines, such as sending meeting notes directly to your team or turning class notes into to-do lists. These integrations keep everyone updated and help you follow up on action items quickly.
Tips for effective automated note-taking.
To get the most from automated note-taking, review your notes regularly, correct transcription errors, and highlight important points. Customize templates or formats that best suit your needs. Remember to secure sensitive information with passwords or encryption features. These habits ensure your notes stay accurate, useful, and accessible wherever you go.